In nature, everything either grows or is dying. That's the natural state, and that's how things are. And it's the same way with you and your mind and your intellect. If it's not growing and expanding, it's actually slowly dying. And that's why, my friends, we're going to talk about why you need to grow your mind and your life and your business each and every single day. Let's dive in. If we look at this tree right here, you can see that it's a crooked tree. It's not a straight, like one of these pine trees you can see that grow straight up, and it's powerful, and it's just so smooth and clear. This is a crooked and really a tree that's been through a lot. And this, to me, represents my life and probably yours as well. Things tend to not be as smooth as we hoped they would be when we once started out. And this is actually the fun part and the beauty in actually growing your life and your business. Because things are going to be tough, things are going to turn out in a way you were not expecting, and you're going to run into troubles sooner or later. You're also going to run into incredible opportunity. So you never know beforehand. The only thing that I know is that if you're not constantly on the lookout for opportunities and for ways to actually grow, you're actually limiting yourself and your business and your dreams. I heard someone say the other day that when their alarm goes off and you hit the snooze button, they called it the dream killer or the dream killer button. Because if you don't get up and start doing what you actually want to do, you're wasting time not creating what you wanted, not creating your dreams, and not getting anywhere closer to where you wanted to be. And there's a lot of truth to this, because we need to constantly work on ourselves. And a good way that I found to do this is, first off, get a good daily routine. So you actually get out of bed and start doing something for you. I myself, I get up at 5:45 about that time every morning, and I start by meditating, journaling, and actually going into myself and my mind, getting centered and focused for the rest of the day. Then I do a workout. I usually go out for a run, or I do some strength exercises or some other type of fitness. I actually started doing more yoga over the last couple of months, getting older as we all do. Then, and only then, do I start my day with breakfast and actually start working. I spend around an hour and a half to 2 hours every day working on my inner game to just getting in line and in shape and focused, both for my mind, my spirit, and my body. And we need to do this. Then I can focus on what's actually ahead of me and working on my goals and my dreams. That is a wonderful way to get more done in the time you actually have. The next part, which I think is a really important one, is to actually get a coach or a mentor or someone who helps you when you get stuck, so you can actually get out of the place where you don't want to be, where you don't get the traction you're looking for. Find someone that believes in you and that actually understands you. And be careful here, because if you're working with a business coach or someone to build your business, make sure that their values and your values actually align. I had a coach once that did not align with me at all. And even though the track record was fantastic, we did not get the results that I wanted, purely based on me and him not having the same views and not the same ideas. Make sure that the people you work with actually resonate with you and have the same general ideas and values. Finally, invest in you. I'm not just talking about investing in programs or coaches or things like that. We don't have to spend money, but invest in you. Sit down every day and learn something new. And don't just go around learning new things all the time. Sit down and learn one thing, and then you implement that into your life. Stop when you learn one new thing and then implement it. Don't just binge watch things and just learn and learn and learn. Learn and then create. Those are the best steps that I found to actually getting somewhere and actually getting the traction you're looking for. Because you need the traction. You need to keep going. And guys, if you're looking to start your coaching business or grow your coaching business. We have our guide here, the Idea to Impact guide for how to step-by-step set up your coaching business in a way that makes it sustainable, profitable, and makes it work for you, together with you, so you can actually build the business you wanted and have the impact you wanted as well. You can go get it for free. Just go to theideatoimpact.academy/guide or just click the link below and you can get it for free. It's the exact steps that I use to build my business and the exact ways that I teach all our clients to build their business. So go pick that up right now and invest in yourself. And this, guys, could be the first step for you. It's a free guide. Go get it, read it, and see if it's anything for you. And if not, then you learned something or you learned that this was nothing for you. That's the worst case scenario. Invest the time in you every day and do that right now. Guys, take care and I'll see you in the next video.